Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Litecoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, Stochastic Rsi and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Litecoin hourly time frame, the price dipped down with around 4.8%, but then came quickly up again in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 36.5. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 35.8, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 38.2 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Looking at the hourly Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are located in the higher region. This means that the price is high due to overbuying, and a change in the trend, or at least some kind of consolidation, can be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Jumping to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing, or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 34.9, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 42.2 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Jumping to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently indecisive, so consolidation for some time or shifting the momentum could be expected, and you should wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bearish. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 100 SMA downwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 100 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 55.8. Jumping to the daily Stochastic Rsi, the Stochastic Rsi currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Jumping to the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The momentum is currently indecisive, according to the MACD histogram. This means you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish, due to the expected shifting momentum. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.